do also.
Right. Yeah, we can go through that.
Okay.
Okay, now again, see how this header here actually stretches across 3 columns, but it actually doesn't. It's actually all in the same column. It just looks like that.
Okay.
So you can easily see that if you stretch this. See that, how it's actually an A?
Yes.
Because,
yes.
It's just kind of deceptive. It actually is an A, but it's stretched over B and C.
Very good.
C
okay.
are still behind it. All right.
Okay. All right.
Okay, very good. Now, say your entire data entry area extends from A, oftentimes A to I. Let's just do A to G for now.
A quick question.
Right.
If you click on B or C, will it cover up expense inventory?
No.
So like click.
You can actually type something else. I mean, it's going to be a little bit unorganized. You can start typing in here, for instance. Yeah, you can type in rent here. See, it's actually just going to do that, and it's just going to gloss over. You know, expand. So you should expand it, and then it's clearer, obviously.
Yeah, that is confusing. Okay, I see.
But see, this is actually what it looks like in reality, because that's actually where it's written. See, that's what's confusing. You might think you actually don't know entirely where it is, and that's why sometimes you have to stretch it. But it's written in A1, so that's what you want to manipulate. And if you want to do that, all you click on is this one here, wrap text. See that? That's basically the way you do that.
Okay.
You pull it down a little bit. See, then
wrap text. Very good.
Yeah. It is with an apostrophe. I do recall that. So if you want an 05, so just put the apostrophe. I like to see what this does with the apostrophe. It just keeps it constant. You know, then it won't switch once you hit return. That's what the apostrophe does. But,
do you mean it's like a code or something?
Well, it's not directly a code. It's like a switch, maybe. You can refer to it as a switch, and it forces it to remain the way it is. See, well, yeah, you can. Just by the same principle, you can you can pull this down, and then you can edit it. 0907 1959. Yeah, you can do that.
And then hit. Okay, all right. There you go. All right.
Yeah.
So that works. All right. So if I want to center, I mean, like to just
do formatting the cell, and what you have to do is right-click and go to cell formatting.
Okay. And make it money.
Yeah, number. See here, you can change the decimal spot.
Okay.
So that's sort of what you want. I mean, now it is actually.
There we go. Let's do 2 more numbers, and then let's do a sum. So next row, let's do 168.99.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can start here, and then these will be totaled, and the answer will be put here if you want.
Perfect. Yeah. So how do we?
Well, there are multiple ways. The quickest way to do it is this feature here, autosum. See, and then just that.
There you go. All right.
That's the quickest way to do it.
All right, now that was awesome. Okay, so so that's what I'm talking about. Now, see this. So what if we wanted to do C2 through C7 only?
Yeah, see, there's that little tab, and you have to pull it. Wait a second.
Can you just change the C9 to C7?
Yeah, if you want to add one, you just pull it up. That's how you do it.
All right. Now, could you pull it all the way back up to include the 8723?
Yeah, but you have to start from the top.
Question.
Yeah.
I mean, because I know you're controlling it, but if you put your cursor in the formula where it says sum parentheses C2 colon C9 close parentheses, can you manually change the C9 to C7?
Just like this, but yeah, you can do
it. And then close parentheses. Do you have to put close parentheses?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, you can always do it manually too. That'll work.
Okay, cool.
You know, sometimes that can be a little confusing. It's not too much more difficult. See, if you want the difference here, well, you should probably have it here then, you know, or you can change it. But again, you can put it wherever you want. See, what you do is you hit equal, And whenever you hit equal, you signal Excel to enter a function.
Okay.
Equal always signals Excel that you're ready to enter a command.
Okay.
And so what you do, you can just click on the cell, and you hit minus, and you hit on the cell that you want subtracted, and then you hit enter to get the difference.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
All right, now, so is this, so we've sort of taught it what we want on row 2. Let's just put in, if you will, just put in a couple of more numbers in that gas column. I just want to see how this could be applied consistently over there.
Right. Now, what I recommend if you want to quickly apply numbers, there is a command called rand between. And so you just I'll type it in real quick because I have some experience with it. See, now what you do is you enter the minimum number. Let's say the minimum number is 10, and then the maximum number, let's say it's 50, and just hit enter. And now it's going to generate a string, a random string between those values.
Huh.
See that? And now this would make it easy. Well, see, the good thing about this, I can show you how this is better. See, if you want to create a chart just of this range here in your data set, now all you can do is click insert and then just insert any chart you want. See, like this chart. See, now it gives you a really nice chart just of these expenses. See how easily that was done?
All right. Well, that was actually useful.